Hey everyone, welcome back to my studio. My name's Kitty Palaskis. I'm an Australian craft-based designer and I'm here to share all my tips and tricks, DIYs and crafty ideas to help you lead your best creative life. So let's get into it. So this is a special mini-series by me and Hey Tiger Chocolate to celebrate our collaboration on their Easter 2021 chocolate range. I designed the packaging for the Easter range using my signature paper collaging techniques. And what's so special about it is that after you're done eating all the delicious chocolate, you can upcycle the packaging and use it to create a series of clever craft projects. Today we're going to eat a whole bunch of chocolate and then I'm going to show you how to transform your Hey Tiger Honey Bunny chocolate carton into a super cute playhouse. So let's get into it. For this project, you'll need an empty Honey Bunny chocolate carton, cutting knife, scissors, and double-sided tape or glue. The first thing to do is carefully open up your carton and flatten it out. Cutting knives are really sharp, so if you're a kid, you'll need the help of an adult for this next step. Use the cutting knife and scissors to carefully cut around the edges of the windows and the door, making sure to leave the left straight edges uncut, creating working windows and a door that opens and closes. When you're done, you can use double-sided tape or glue to close and seal the carton back up. So there you have it, a quick DIY to upcycle your Hey Tiger Honey Bunny chocolate carton into a fun little playhouse. Now, if you want something to accompany your playhouse, make sure to check out my other videos because I'm going to show you how to upcycle your Hey Tiger A Bunny's Fave chocolate box into a matching Easter themed playset. Now, if you liked these DIYs, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and leave me a comment below telling me if you tried them. Make sure to catch the other videos in this series, but until then, happy crafting and enjoy that chocolate.